Welcome to Madhurima's kitchen and Madhurima Basu. It's raining today and I was thinking what I have to do. Let me cook something which is very unique one, which is not like Bengali. So I thought to cook something, some Gujarati dish. So what I have, this is Lima bean or butter bean. I just boiled it. So I am going to prepare a Gujarati recipe that is Valnu Shaak, curry, butter bean curry. First I have to heat some oil. This is veg oil, and I have this mustard and cumin. Let me put it here. It started spluttering, and now I will add some chopped onion carefully. And I have this ginger garlic paste. At this point of time you can add hing as well, but I am not adding that hing because I cannot digest that. That is the reason I am not adding this. But whenever you are going to try this Valnu Shaak, hing is in the authentic recipe you have to add the hing. So let me fry till the onions are pink. So the onions are done. Now I will add chopped tomato, and some green chili. I'm giving a quick stir. Now cover it up till the onions are soft, and you can see it's already soft. And I went outside to see either the rain stopped or not. It stopped, but entire area is waterlogged, so I will show you that as well. And now I will add the spices. I have some coriander powder, so I'm adding some coriander powder. And then red chili powder, little bit of garam masala powder, turmeric, salt, and I have cinnamon powder. So a pinch of that cinnamon powder. Now I have to mix it very well. And now I will add the Lima bean or boiled butter bean. Mix it thoroughly. I will add some warm water. then I will cover it. It's almost 5 minutes over, so I will check if it's done or not. So the valnu saag, the sabji is ready, and the smell is awesome. And I'm going to switch off this gas. Sprinkle some fresh chopped coriander, and I'm going to serve it with roti. Valnu saag is done. For more recipes like this, please subscribe my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu, and enjoy more recipe and some traveling vlog as well. Do enjoy your recipe and let me know how it is.